Na, nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. Alright, so for today's vlog, we would like to introduce to you the car scents that were sent to us. Give me a minute. Alright, so these are WOV or WOV Scents. So, pinadala po sa atin ito. And I have a question, guys. For sure, a lot of us, lalong-lalo na dun sa mga drivers, no? We have been into a situation where sobrang init, sobrang traffic, nakaka-stress. It adds up to our, you know, the dilemma or the problem of driving. Now, based on my experience, isa sa mga nagpapagaan or nagpapaganda ng experience sa pagdadrive is of course your companion, kung sino yung kasama mo. And at the same time, kung gaano kalinis at kabango ang inyong sasakyan. So, it is important that, you know, we make sure that our cars or our vehicles are freshened up. I actually use these kinds of mga pabango sa sasakyan, no? These are again from WOV Scents. Merong Bvlgari, Lavender, Vanilla. Meron din tayo ditong Almond. Whoa! So meron din Peppermint, Lacoste Red. So these are the perfume line of scents ni WOV. And then we also have Wild Coffee, and the last one is Hugo. So I'm gonna put this Hugo para lalo pang babango yung sasakyan. Okay, so alright, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna remove the seal cap just to make sure. Oh, those are really good. Para talaga siyang men's perfume. Okay, so let's close it. And then, once in a while, you gotta, you know, shake it up hanggang yung pinaka cork cap natin ay maging basa. So, yun yung actually magiging signal natin na lalabas na yung amoy. Alright, so our car scent is already set up. As a matter of fact, no, hindi lang siya sa mga cars pwedeng gamitin. So, you can actually hang it sa living room, sa bedroom, or your bathroom. You can also hang it on your mga electric fan. So, these are also great for giveaways, lalo-lalo na ngayon. Malapit na yung Christmas, malapit na yung Pasko. So, you can actually consider these as your gifts as well, no? Not just for those calendar holidays. These are the reasons why you should purchase WOV Scents. So, number one, they are made from the finest fragrance oil. Next is, they are perfectly cured to diffuse longer. So, you can actually compare this with the other existing diffusers. These are long life. Next is, you can also compare their price. They are actually cheaper from the other existing ones. It is budget friendly. They are also high in quality. Yung main purpose ng diffuser natin is to deodorize yung mga unpleasant smell wherever you put it. And then normally it will last from 30 to 45 days. So this is WOV Scents Hugo. I like it very much. It's really manly. I like my car somewhat, you know, that kind of feeling. Anyway, so guys, if you're interested to know more about this product, they are open for resellers and distributors. Make sure to check out their fan page. They are looking for you if you're interested to know, if you're interested to do business with them. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. This is a really quick video, but guys, an opportunity for us to start our own business, and at the same time, just, you know, just freshen up yung mga sasakyan natin or yung mga rooms that we want to, you know, smell it really good. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all. Peace. Bye-bye.